Hey, boys and girls. Today's lesson is on progressive verb tenses. And by the end of our lesson, you'll be able to identify the progressive verb tense in a sentence by the use of the helping verbs and the suffix ing. So, what are progressive verb tenses? They simply are telling about an action that is happening in the past, the present, and the future. And we do this by the use of helping verbs and by adding ing to the action verb. So let's take a look. In the past, we use helping verbs like was and were. In the present tense, we use helping verbs am, is, are. And in the future tense, we use the helping verbs will be. So let's see how this works using a verb. So we will take the verb play. Now remember, to show an action that is happening in the past, we need to have a helping verb and we need to change our action verb by adding the suffix ing to show a continuous action. So I will start with was is my helping verb. I was playing. I added ing to the action verb. I used was because I would use that in a singular if my subject is singular, like I, meaning one. I was playing. If I wanted to show an action that was happening in the past and it had more than one subject, I could say, we were playing with my cars yesterday. So I'm showing an action that is continuing to happen. I use the helping verb were because my subject was plural, we. Now let's show an action that is happening now in the present tense. I would use the helping verb am if my subject was I. I am playing with my cars now. I could use is. He is playing with his cars now. I'm showing what he is doing right now. Are is the plural form. We are playing with our cars now. I'm showing what we are doing right now. We are playing with our cars. Now, if I wanted to show what would be happening in the future, say tomorrow, I would use the helping verb will be. We will be playing with our cars tomorrow. I will be playing with our cars tomorrow. Let's try one more verb. Let's look at eat. Now again, I know that I need a helping verb and I need to add ing to my verb if I'm going to show a progressive verb tense. If I'm going to show an action that is continuing to happen in the past, is continuing to happen in now in the present, and will continue to happen in the future. So let's see. Say I want to use the helping verb was. Was is for a singular subject. I would change eat to eating. I was eating pie yesterday. I'm talking about what I was doing yesterday. I was eating it. It's an action that is continuing to happen. I could use were if my subject was plural. We were eating pie yesterday. We is a plural subject, so I chose were as my helping verb. And what were we doing? We were eating. Now let's look at present tense. I'm showing what I am doing today, right now. I am eating pie now. She is eating pie now. We are eating pie now. I used are because my subject was plural. We. To show what I'll be doing tomorrow, I will be eating pie tomorrow for dinner. We will be eating pie tomorrow for dinner. So remember, to show a progressive past tense, present tense, or future tense, you need the aid of a helping verb, and you need to add ing to the action verb. So let's see how this looks in a sentence in our writing. So to show what is happening in the past, what is continuing, an ongoing action, I was talking to Davin. Was is my helping verb. It's singular because I used my subject is singular. I was talking. As you can see, we added the ing, so it shows a continuing action. I was talking to Davin yesterday. Davin was talking to Joseph. What was Davin doing yesterday? What was he doing in the past? He was talking. Again, I use singular because my subject was singular. The students were talking in class. Now I changed my helping verb to were because my subject is plural, students. The students were talking in class. So it shows an ongoing action. What were the students doing? They were talking. Let's see what this looks like in the present tense. Now remember, in the present tense, we're going to use the helping verbs am, is, are. I am talking to Davin today. I'm telling you what I am doing right now. I am talking to Davin. Helping verb am, and I added ing to the verb. Am talking. And I used am because I used the pronoun I. Davin is talking to Joseph. I used the helping verb is because Davin is singular. And I added ing to my verb to show what is happening right now at this present time. The students are talking in class. I used the helping verb are because my subject is plural. And I added ing to my verb. Are talking. It shows what the students are doing right now. Let's see what this looks like in the future tense. Whoops. Remember, this is showing an ongoing action that is happening in the future. We will be talking. I will be talking to Davin in the future, tomorrow. I used, to show future tense, I used the helping verb will be. And I added ing to my action verb to show what I will be doing, what I will continue to do. Davin will be talking to Joseph. Again, will be shows what's going to be happening in the future, what he will be doing. He will be talking. And the students will be talking in class. It's plural, my subject, and I'm still using the verb will be. Talking in class. What will the students be doing tomorrow? They will be talking. So, to show progressive verb tenses, we use helping verbs to show which tense, and to show ongoing action, we add ing to our verb. So, were you able to identify the progressive verb tenses in the sentences? And were you able to identify it by the helping verb and the ing? That's it for now, boys and girls. Bye.